Hey adventurers, we're back in Munich again. Yep, the same cute hostel we stayed in before Croatia. And guess what? It's just as charming the second time around.
It was the perfect little in-between stop. Cozy beds, good vibes, and just enough time to catch our breath before heading to Austria.
Not to be confused with Australia.
Okay. Maybe I was the only one who didn't know the difference back in the day.
This was a unique Airbnb we stayed at during our visit here. It was a dance studio.
There were all these little individual rooms that would have been used for each dancer to live in during the time that they were working on a project or a particular show. And then sometimes they were just used for dance student housing. Cute place. We did a lot of walking in Salzburg, or busing, or walking to buses. But the girls kept it fun.
At one fountain they started dancing and were convinced if they danced well enough, the water would shoot higher.
And it worked. I give it a 10 out of 10 for entertainment value alone.
Our adventures continued with a bus ride to the famous salt mines. From the bus stop, we had a short walk in. And oh my gosh, we passed the most stunning, beautiful river.
Like straight out of Switzerland, that glacier water was crystal clear and freezing cold, but absolutely gorgeous.
The salt mines tour is so worth it. First, they suit you up in these hilarious overalls.
We were totally rocking the miner chick look. Then they load you on this mini train and zip you down into the earth.
It's dark, it's mysterious, and then boom, giant wooden slides that take you even deeper into the mine.
The slides were a hit. We didn't get any photos though, since it's super dark down there. And confession time, we bought the professional photos, but someone, who shan't be named, left them in the seat pocket on the bus ride home.
It wasn't me, but that child will never live that down.
On the way back, we passed the river again and got to really enjoy it. Also, the girls found this old mining cart. and turned it into their own personal jungle gym.
Classic. Back to silly poses and goofing off, just how we like it.
Then it was shopping time. We found this adorable little shop with all natural goods, soaps, oils, and lavender cookies made with real lavender oil.
She's still dreaming about those cookies.
They were magical.
We even found a Burger King, and yep, that's what we took pictures of. Not the authentic Austrian meals we had. Epic fail, my bad.
The girls were always just so pumped to see food that they recognized. Can't blame them. Not every local meal was a winner. And who can resist the crowns now? That's just good fun.
But seriously, big kudos to them. They were always willing to try something new when it really counted.
We saw the famous Makartsteg Bridge. You know, the one with all the love locks, just like in all the rom-com movies.
And Mozart's childhood home, a must-see in Salzburg.
We visited Mirabell Palace, and wow, the gardens were stunning.
From there you get a great view of the fortress up on the hill. We didn't make the climb up to it, but from a distance, it looked like a really cool old castle.
On our way out of Salzburg, we made an important stop, the Dachau concentration camp.
We felt it was crucial for our girls to experience this history firsthand. It's one thing to read about it in a textbook.
And something else entirely to stand in that place and feel it.
We learned that when the prisoners arrived, they were split. Men to one side, women and children to the other. The latter group were told they were going for showers.
Only to be led to gas chambers. Afterwards, their bodies were stored in death chambers until they could be burned in cremation ovens.
They tried to avoid mass graves, but during coal shortages, they couldn't run the ovens anymore. Over 7,400 bodies were later found buried in mass graves.
The men were forced into harsh wooden bed barracks with just a thin straw mat to sleep on. No personal belongings, all of those were taken upon entry. They withstood constant abuse, sometimes just to keep the guards busy, and grueling, full-day, physically intense labor.
It was sobering, painful but necessary. We wanted the girls to see, feel, and understand just how dark that chapter of history was.
And hopefully, take that knowledge with them, carry it forward, and never forget.
From joy to reflection, this leg of the trip gave us a little of everything.
And we're taking it all with us. The laughs, the cookies, the slides, and even the heavy moments.
That's what travel's all about, experiencing life from every angle.
Until next time, adventurepreneurs out.
We couldn't find clothes that matched our vibe, so we made them.
Now people stop us and say, "Where did you get that shirt?"
We smile and say upbeatoutfits.com.
You want to match the vibe? You know where to go.
Click the link below and check it out.